Hello everybody, it's Gordon here with Finnmark Designs, lead engineer, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to remove your controller if it's malfunctioned or your technician has recommended to replace it. So it's super easy. Anybody can do this. We built this sauna specifically to make sure that it's super easy to remove or to replace items. Many sauna companies do not take this extra step, so when you actually do have to replace something, it's a nightmare. So super easy. Let's start. The first thing you want to do is remove this bezel. It should just pop right off. There's two little clips up here, so if you can't get it right off, you can take a tiny little screwdriver and get in there, but generally speaking it'll pop right off just like that. So once you pop that off, you're going to have 4 screws, 2 on the top, 2 on the bottom. Super easy. Just grab your screwdriver. I'm doing this with one hand, so it might be a little bit more difficult, and I always take them out almost all the way, but not all the way, so they still kind of stay in there so the controller doesn't just pop out. Okay, so that's how easy that is. And then we'll just go ahead and remove these screws, and we will get access to pulling this controller out. So again, super easy. It's literally 4 screws. So once you pull it out, pulls right out of the hole here, super easy. You have a 5-pin connector here, and then you have the 4-pin down here. So again, I'm kind of trying to do this with one hand, but when you pull this connector out here, do not pull by the wires. Try to pull by the connector itself, and you might have to wiggle it a little bit to get it out. Same thing with this bottom one. Again, I'm kind of doing this with one hand here. Boom. So there you go. So now that it's out, your controller is completely free of the actual sauna itself. And then just go ahead and grab your new controller. Make sure you line up. You can't really mess this up. It's the 5-pin, and make sure when you put them back in, they're seated 100%. Again, here, let me try to do this here. So if it's like that, where it's not seated in all the way, you're going to have issues. Let's see if I can zoom in there. You want to make sure that you kind of push on it and make sure that it's 100% seated in that controller. Same thing with this other one here. I'll try to do this with one hand. So, and then I just push on it just like that until you hear it click, right? Put your controller back in the sauna. Put your screws back in, put your bezel back on, and that's how easy it is, folks. So again, you know, Finnmark Designs put a lot of work in this, making sure that almost anybody can remove any of the product or any of the mechanisms that are in this sauna, to make it super easy for end users and our customers to go in and do things themselves, which saves time, saves us time, saves you time, and you don't have to have a contractor out, you know, or electrician out every time something fails. I hope this video helped you guys. If you guys have any questions, you can always fill out a support ticket or simply give us a call, and we're always here to help. Have a great day.